sometimes there are problems with the uploading to Blurb inside the book module, and I had exactly the same issue with the book I have shown you before. And what you can do is the following. Inside Lightroom, on the right side, you will send the book directly over to Blurb. But on the left side, you have the export book to PDF button. And if you press on this, Lightroom will, as mentioned, export the book out, I call this travel, as a PDF. And here you see the rendering on this book is really fast because I have just 16 pages. On my travel book I did of the California travel, there it was a longer export for sure because it has, I think, 160 pages or so, and the export really took a lot of time, but it works. And the cool thing to know is if you have exported, you have the travel book and the travel cover. And this is the cover and this is the book inside. And the nice thing is you can log into Blurb and just upload these two PDF files and then it works. And this was exactly how I have done it, because the upload directly inside Lightroom failed for me 3 times, and then I get nervous and I thought, oh no, I have to do it in InDesign on myself, which wouldn't be a problem technically, but time-wise it would be a big burn of time. But I can use the PDF, and I could upload it to Blurb directly and everything was fine. So I think Blurb will in the background, or Lightroom will create a PDF nevertheless in the background and will upload the PDF to Blurb. But there's some hiccup on my case with this book, and when I exported it, everything was fine. And another thing you can think is that you will start inside Lightroom, create the book, export it via PDF, and then bring in this PDF, for example, to Affinity Publisher or InDesign, and work over this PDF in this software or in this application, and then export the PDF again, and you can upload this pre-defined PDF and upload it directly to Blurb. So that's maybe an option to work with or to think about. But normally just export the PDF, upload it manually to Blurb, and everything is fine, and it will definitely come as you designed it in Lightroom.